Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video tutorial we are going to talk about how you can add VLC media player on your IPTV Smarter Pro application. Let's begin. So in the Firestick home screen, what you have to do, hover to find, slide down and then click on search. Now type here VLC media player. When you type VLC, suggestion list appear, so slide down and click on VLC for Firestick. Now click on VLC player icon. From the next screen, it's gonna give us ability to download this application on our Fire TV device. So just click on download button and VLC media player start downloading. Just wait for a while until this is downloaded and it will be installed automatically. So as you can see, VLC media player has been installed on this Fire TV device. Now go back home screen by pressing remote home button. In the home screen, what you have to do, hover to apps, now open IPTV Smarter Pro application. And guys, this is the home screen of IPTV Smarter Pro application. Here, hover to settings gear icon. Press remote select button. Now here, what you have to do, slide down and select internal player. Here. And then click on add player. Now slide down and click on VLC media player. Click on add. And as you can see, VLC media player has been added on IPTV Smarter Pro application. Now go back home screen. And guys, you can use this method to add VLC media player on your IPTV Smarter Pro application. And I hope this video was helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any kinds of question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.